Ever feel like your brain's a bit fuzzy, like you can't think straight or remember things? It's like trying to navigate through a thick fog where everything seems unclear and out of reach. You might find yourself struggling to recall simple details or feeling overwhelmed by tasks that used to be easy. It's called brain fog, and it happens to lots of people. This mental cloudiness can affect anyone, regardless of age or lifestyle. It's more common than you might think, and it can be incredibly frustrating. It's not an illness itself, but a sign something else might be up. Brain fog can be a symptom of various underlying issues, such as stress, lack of sleep, poor diet, or even dehydration. It's your brain's way of telling you that something needs attention. Imagine looking through a foggy window. Everything on the other side is blurry and hard to make out. You know there's something there, but you just can't see it clearly. That's brain fog. Your thoughts are jumbled. It's hard to remember things, and focusing is tough. It can feel like your mind is in a constant haze, making everyday activities challenging. Things you used to do easily, like chatting or making choices, suddenly feel hard. Conversations might become confusing, and decision-making can feel like an insurmountable task. Brain fog can be short-term and go away on its own, but if it happens a lot, your brain might need some help. Persistent brain fog could indicate that you need to make some changes to your routine or seek professional advice. The good news is, if you know what causes it and make some simple changes, you can clear the fog and think clearly again. By addressing the root causes, such as improving your diet, getting regular exercise, and ensuring you get enough sleep, you can lift the mental haze and regain your clarity. Lots of things can cause brain fog, from everyday habits to actual medical problems. It's like a cloud that makes it hard to think clearly or focus on tasks. One big one is stress. When we're stressed, our bodies release chemicals that can mess with our brains and make us feel mentally tired. This can lead to difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, and even anxiety. Not getting enough sleep is another big problem. Sleep is when our brains rest and sort out our memories. If we don't sleep enough, our brains can't work properly, and we feel groggy and tired. Over time, lack of sleep can also affect our mood and overall health. What we eat matters too. A balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help keep our brains sharp and functioning well. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats aren't good for our brains. They can lead to inflammation and other issues that make it hard for our brains to function properly. They can make our blood sugar go up and down, cause problems in our bodies, and stop us from getting the good stuff our brains need. Keeping a stable blood sugar level is important for maintaining mental clarity and focus. Luckily, there are easy things you can do every day to fight brain fog and think more clearly. Exercise is really important. Regular physical activity not only keeps your body in shape but also has a profound impact on your mental clarity and overall brain health. It's good for your body and your brain. When you exercise, your heart pumps more blood, which means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your brain. It gets blood flowing to your brain, bringing oxygen and all the good stuff it needs. This increased blood flow helps improve cognitive functions, making you feel more alert and focused. It even helps your brain grow new cells. This process, known as neurogenesis, is crucial for maintaining a healthy brain and can enhance your memory and learning abilities. Even a quick walk or some yoga can make a big difference. These activities are not only good for your physical health, but also help reduce stress and improve your mood. Staying hydrated is also super important. Drinking enough water ensures that your brain functions at its best, helping you stay sharp and focused throughout the day. Our brains are mostly water, and even a little dehydration can make it hard to think. Dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Drink lots of water throughout the day. Make it a habit to sip water regularly, especially if you're working or studying for long periods. Keep a water bottle with you so you don't forget. Having it within reach will remind you to stay hydrated and keep your brain functioning optimally. Feeding your brain, the power of diet and exercise. The food you eat really affects how well your brain works. Eating lots of fruit, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein gives your brain the nutrients it needs to be its best. Foods like blueberries, leafy greens, and nuts protect your brain from damage, and oily fish like salmon and tuna are great for brain health. Regular exercise is like a super boost for your brain. It gets the blood flowing and helps your brain grow new cells, especially in the part that helps you learn and remember things. Building a strong brain, long-term strategies for brain health. Dealing with brain fog now is important, but keeping your brain healthy as you get older is important too. One great way to do this is to challenge your brain regularly. Just like exercise makes your body stronger, doing mentally challenging things keeps your brain sharp. This could be learning a new language, playing brain games, or trying a new hobby. Staying social is also really important for your brain. Talking to people, joining a club, or volunteering keeps your brain active and reduces the risk of problems later on. A brighter future. Take charge of your brain power. By understanding what causes brain fog and using the tips we've talked about, you can think more clearly and live a better life. Remember, your brain is amazing, and even small changes can make a big difference. Make sure you look after your brain by exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, managing stress, and challenging your mind. Just like you take care of your body, looking after your brain is really important for a long, happy, and healthy life.